Hello everybody. Man, thank you so much for joining me here. I want to encourage you to increase your savings. Absolutely. By increasing your credit limits. Okay, you got to increase your savings. Yes, I believe in savings. By increasing your credit limits. Now, let's go over 3 categories of savings that you need to be aware of. Okay, first you got your emergency fund. Absolutely. Even if you don't have anything else, if you don't have any investments, you don't have this, you don't have that, make sure you have that emergency fund. All right. Number 2, short-term savings. Absolutely. And I recommend 10%, put 10% into the short-term savings. Why? So that you can put 10% into the long-term savings. So there's short-term savings and then there's long-term savings. The short-term savings, well, that's gonna, let's say you want to go to a concert in 6 months. You're gonna put away $600. So you're gonna put away $100 a month so that you can have that $600 to pay for that concert. Okay, but you're not going to put it in a black hole account, right? That's going to be losing you money. You're going to be putting it into your credit line, all right? Absolutely. So the short-term savings, remember that? And now we go to long-term savings, which means what? Which means you're going to have to put your money in an asset, okay? Your long-term savings is going to be put into an asset, which is a resource, okay? Not an obligation. It's not a liability. What you'll need to do is you will need to get educated in investing, all right? So, listen, real estate is one of the best ways to make sure, let's say you have the $15,000, so that this $15,000 can actually grow instead of lose value, all right? That's what we want to focus on. We want to focus on right now educating you. So, put that $15,000 into an educational program if you don't have one already. Put the $15,000 into educating yourself, because listen to me, there are no risky investments. All of the risk is in the investor. Because the fact of the matter is, everybody, right, that is knowledgeable about investing is making money. Right? So whether you're in the stock market, people are making money in the stock market right now, even though it's crashing. Absolutely. And people are making money in real estate right now because they know about it. All right? So definitely want to get your hands on some material and get with a crew that can help you invest for the long term. All right? So make sure that you're doing that. Make sure that you know how to pay off this credit line. Okay, make sure you're having that emergency fund, because if you have $15,000 on that credit line, can you use that for emergencies? You sure can. If you have $15,000 on the credit line, can you use that for short term? Yes. And if you have $15,000, can you put that as a down payment for your long-term savings? Yes, you can. So listen, get out there, get educated. Contact me, creditwiz@investorpro.org. Don't be spending your money on this gadget, this camera, that camera. Listen, folks, let's make sure that we're utilizing our finances wisely, that we're utilizing a money allocation plan, and that we have a plan going forward for the things that not only we need, but also desire. Emergency fund, short-term savings, long-term savings. Increase your savings by increasing your credit line, okay? Increasing that credit limit. And how do you do that? Make sure you're paying your payments early. Same thing with the business, right? Make sure your payments are early. Make sure you're below the 30% on your credit utilization. That means if you have a credit card that's $1,000, okay, you're going to be below $300. Always spend below the $300, never above it, okay? Folks, God bless. Have a great night. Like, share, subscribe to all your friends and family. All right? Make sure this gets out to them because they need to know. All right? God bless. You have a great night.